Hi there, you guys. I did want to come on and share some arts and craft projects and hobbies that I do during my spare time at home. So let's get started with the first project. While shopping at IKEA, I did come across some paper quote layouts. These paper quote layouts here came in a pack of 3 with 3 different quotes. They were on clearance and were priced at $3.99, so I couldn't help but resist making a purchase. So to start this project, I went into the Dollar Tree and purchased 3 8x10 picture frames, which cost a total of $3. I started by disassembling the picture frame from the backing and placed my paper quote copy into the frame itself and replaced the backing. Voila, my first project is complete. So this is what I used to hang the pictures. I hung one in my bathroom and also one in the bedroom. So let's get started with the next project, which involves some painting. I did go and purchase some canvases, a pack of 8 from Ross, with some paintbrushes and paint. And then I did reuse this here yogurt cup and some sponges inside. And then I did go ahead for my paintings that I did, was my first one here. And then I also came in and did my second painting as well. And this was straight from scratch, you guys. I really enjoyed and had a great time painting these pictures and was amazed at my results myself. And let me just show you guys a little tip I did here with this flower painting. I went in and I got these Q-tips. And I went in with some brown paint and dabbled along the yellow, which brought the flower color out even more. And I found that really amazing just to go in and quickly do that. All right, you guys, so moving along to some hobbies I do with exercising at home, and I purchased this packet of exercise equipment through Amazon. Guys, this is only $25 through Amazon, and I love this 10-piece set. I just love how convenient it is for me to use at home. Right, so you guys, one of my next hobbies I love is sketching. I loved it since I was a little girl. I sketch whatever comes to mind. Here, when I was sitting on my bed at home, I sketched my room, the layout of my closet, and the door of the old home I used to live at. And then I also sketched some miscellaneous photos. It's not perfect, but it's something. And of course, one of my last hobbies that I enjoy doing is picking up a book and reading. I always enjoy reading some motivational books, so these buddies here work for me. You are a badass in 100 days to brave, and then you have 10 stupid things women do to mess up their lives, and also your best life now, which is one of my favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of my arts and craft projects and hobbies that I enjoy doing. Please do share in the comments some of your arts and craft projects and hobbies that you enjoy as well. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to sharing more videos with you guys on some interesting topics. Thank you for watching. Bye.